Hey, so we're going to look at dividing a fraction by a whole number. If dividing a fraction by a whole number. So I'm going to write my fraction. Let's go 4/5 divided by, let's say 3. Divided by 3, whole number 3. Now, in an early video, I said that the thing we have to remember is keep, I'm just going to put the first letters, keep, change, flip. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to keep the 4/5. We're going to change division to multiplication, and we're going to flip this fraction. But we need to represent this whole number as a fraction. And if you remember, to do that, to turn this into a fraction, we're simply just going to put a 1 underneath it. Okay? So what we've made now is division problem that it's 3 divided by 1, and 3 divided by 1 is 3. So it's still a whole number, even written this way. So now we're going to do the keep, change, flip. So I'm going to write it as 4/5. That stays the same. I'm going to change my symbol to multiplication. Instead of 3/1, I'm going to flip that to 1/3. Now that I'm at this part, I'm just going to multiply straight across. Okay? Multiply straight across. And so we have 4 times 1 and 5 times 3. And our answer is going to be 4/15, or 4/15. All right. So let's do one where you can do it on your own. So let's try another one. Let's go, we'll just go 2/3. Say divided by 4. So think of, you have 2/3 of an apple. So that means an apple is cut into 3 parts, and you're holding 2 of those. But now we're going to divide those 2/3 into 4 equal parts. Okay. So again, remember, we're going to keep, change, flip. I'm going to stop the video and you work it out on your own. Go. Or you stop the video. Okay, so let's see if we did it correctly. So 2/3. Okay, I'm going to leave that alone. 2/3. I'm going to change my symbol from division to multiplication. And 4, I'm going to represent it as 4/1. And then I'm going to flip 4/1 and make it 1/4. So now I'm just going to multiply straight across. So we have 2 times 1 and 3 times 4. And that gives us 2/12. Or if we have to simplify it, make it an equivalent fraction, both these are divided by 2, so that could be 1/6. So, and there you are. That is a division of a fraction by a whole number.